Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Sunrise in Sydney with Serena. I hope you're having a great day. Social restrictions are easing a bit in Sydney, so we went out on the weekend to buy a few groceries and things, and on the way we saw these beautiful alpacas. I thought that you might enjoy seeing them. Amidst the alpacas is also a mountain goat. It was really refreshing to see these beautiful creatures amidst the lockdown. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy it too. Here I'm going to share with you a really simple recipe to make carrot and beetroot rice. It's diabetic friendly and children would love it. You just make a few modifications if you're cooking this for a little baby. Don't add maybe the cashew nuts and the chili, and the babies would enjoy it. The ingredients required to make this healthy carrot and beetroot rice are mustard seeds, split black gram or urad dal, split baby chickpeas or chana dal, whole red chilies, cashew nuts, grated or shredded carrot, beetroot and coconut. If you don't have fresh grated coconut, you can use desiccated coconut by adding some hot water to it and soaking it for a little while. Then drain the water before you use it to add it to the rice. A few curry leaves, some salt, cooked white rice or brown rice. To make the rice, heat a pan, add some oil. Then add the mustard seeds and allow them to crackle. Add the whole red chili, the split gram or urad dal, the split baby chickpeas or the chana dal, and the cashew nuts. Toast them until they get nice and golden. Next you have to add the grated carrot and beetroot. Add a little bit of salt, toss it well in the oil and cover it and cook it for a minute or two. Do not overcook this. Once the beetroot and carrot cook through, add the grated coconut and toss it for 30 seconds or so. We don't have to cook it. Raw coconut tastes really good. Add the cooked rice. I've used long grain basmati rice today. Brown rice tastes really good as well and is very hearty and filling. Then you can add some salt and toss everything together. Remove it onto a serving dish and serve this hot. This rice goes very well with a yogurt raita or a curd salad. I've made a simple raita with bottle gourd or lauki or kaddu. I've cut them into cubes, boiled it with turmeric and a pinch of salt. When it cooled down, I added it to beaten up yogurt and salt. I then heated a bit of oil and tempered some mustard seeds and red chili and a little bit of asafoetida and curry leaves, and I poured it on top of the raita. I hope you enjoyed watching these nutritious and easy as recipes cooked by me. I look forward to receiving some feedback from you, and I hope you have a great day. Until we meet again, stay safe. Bye.